I am back! Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Thank you for visiting my channel or returning to my channel. I took a much needed break and now I am back recharged and refreshed. This past 3 months, I thought a lot about what to do with my channel. I have done a lot of acupressure and massage videos and I will continue to do those. But I will also be covering more anti-aging topics, especially Japanese anti-aging. As you may know, I'm originally from Japan, and Japan is one of the countries with very high life expectancy. Although it's been changing the last 30 years or so. The rate of diabetes and cancer has increased a lot, but Japan is still ranked very high, if not the highest, in various lists of countries with long life expectancy. Hopefully, I still have that longevity gene and it is not too Americanized. I know it's diet and lifestyle. When I started this channel 12 years ago, I was that much younger. Hi everyone, this is Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. And anti-aging wasn't my main interest. I wish I was interested more back then so I could start taking care of myself better. But once I hit 50, I started seeing and feeling all kinds of changes, and now anti-aging is a big part of my interest, if not the biggest. For me, anti-aging isn't just about looking younger and erasing wrinkles. I shared my definition of anti-aging physically, spiritually, and emotionally in another video. You may have a different definition, but my take is still the same. In Japan, there's a term called Pinpin Korori, which means you're fully alive and active until the moment you die. I think it's an ideal way to live your life, no matter how long or short you live. I plan to cover the topics for inner care and outer care, which I find interesting or cool, or I think it's good for you to help you get rid of pain and suffering at different levels. I will also experiment and evaluate products and remedies. If you have any products or remedies that you want me to try that doesn't involve nipping, tucking, injecting, or costing a lot, please let me know and I will give it a consideration. I still love to teach couples massage, which alleviates mental and physical stress and increased intimacy at home. So you'll be seeing more of that too. It's a great anti-aging activity if you have a partner. While I was off, I was very curious about where my channel was going. Will people still watch my videos? Will it disappear from YouTube? Would the almighty great YouTube AI still give me chances? I was surprised to see the subscribers count kept going up, and now it has reached 175,000. Thank you so much. So I'm going to start off with a foot massager giveaway. Actually, a change of plan. I was going to do a foot massager giveaway this week, but Daiso was out of foot massagers. For those who are not familiar, I give away a Japanese foot massager like this one from Daiso when my channel reaches a certain number of subscribers, usually every 5,000. As soon as I get a hold of the actual foot massager in my hand, I will do the giveaway, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.